You, from the 4th of the 9th month of 1436, in the 10th to 12th hours of the night, as in dividing the sunset to sunrise into 12 equal portions, dream of leading 12 in Satsang class. In previous sessions and this session of the ritual, I went to sleep among blue sparkling with white. The feeling was cold and analgesic. I came to a barren, silent room that was in the shape of a double cube. 12 people from the Clark County Eckankar group sat at a white round table. Facing me and going clockwise was the Shem Ha Mafarash Sigili, starting with the number 19 and going through 72 and the first 18. These 72 were each a different color. Fixed signs were neon bright colors of red, green, yellow, and blue. The mutable signs were like metallic glitter of blue, red, yellow, and green. The cardinal signs were in dark colors of yellow, blue, red, and green. And could this be used subconsciously when I make my memes? I don't know. Atop the white table was a disc of slices of the 12 Goetia Sigilia for the period of Aries and Taurus are numbers 9 through 20. These face me in the same order as the symbols on the edge of the table that were rotated to their right or had their right edge at the bottom edge of the table. The slices were like copper, gold, gold, a mix of orange and purple, light green, tin, gold, silver, dark green, lime green flecked with red, red flecked with orange, emerald green. Despite some of their colors, these 12 pieces were as stone. A group placed photos of Harold Klemp and Paul Twitchell upon the table. There were photos of Darwin Gross among them, and they tried to hide them. The 12 Eckists called out, "Why aren't you really appearing to and guiding me?" These propped up pictures blew off the desk, 12 slices that made the table as one big sun symbol. You know, probably like the circle with the dot in the middle, right? A green light with a golden X symbol in the form of a circle was there. A lozenge of light like that unto of the year at our locality, or about 45 degrees north latitude, filled the room. This lit me and those hidden by me in golden light. The golden light came with a feeling of weightlessness. I woke up particularly calm. Huge